Hello everyone. Today my group and I gonna talk about what made Google so successful. Let me introduce my group member first. They're Ima, Jiwei, and Macy, and me, Henry. So let me start by telling you the story of Google, the origin of Google. Um, in 1995, Serge Brain, a second-year graduate student in the computer science department at Stanford University, was assigned as a tour guide of potential students. One of them being Larry Page, an engineering student from the University of Michigan. Although they both start to dispute each other at first, but 1 year later they began to collaborating on a research project. And then they initially named this search engine called Backrub, and however they quickly changed to Google to reflect the mission of processing and organizing as much web information as possible. And after the 3 years and a $1 million investment, Page and Brain would go public with Google. Today, Google has expanded its specialties in cloud computing, online advertising, computer software, etc. But so the question remains: how does a garage project transform into an LLC worth almost $2 trillion today, um, in only 2 decades? So the first um, major category factors to make Google so successful is that the four workplace attitude inside Google. Four workplace attitude, first one being the perceived organizational support. So, such as work-life balance, Google offers a variety of learning, social development programs to help employees achieve a good work-life balance. For example, the employee can devote 20% of their time to pursue other interests. And also, it can also show in, for example, parental leave. Google provides fathers with 6 week parental leave and mothers with 18-week parental leave. Google also provides food and snacks around the campus of Google. They also provide fitness facilities that offers free gym memberships, and also this is a great way that could keep they think to keep the team can keep the team motivated and as working out is proven to relieve stress. Um, the second workplace attitude inside Google is the job satisfaction. Um, Job satisfaction is another index to tell if the company has a good working environment. At Google, 97% of employees at Google Inc. said it is a great place to work compared to 57% of the employees at the typical US based company. The third workplace attitude is organizational commitment. It's also Google's organization culture. The organization commitment, which can also be interpreted as Google's organization culture. After researching, we have found that four organization culture that made Google such a successful company, and they are openness, innovation, excellence, and excellence that comes with smartness and hands-on approach. Finally, the last the last workplace attitude is the employee engagement. As you can see, 29% of the employees meet. 29% of employees meet weekly outside of work, and 22% of employees meet monthly outside of work. So employee engagement is what Google's values import very much, and not only inside company but outside company, outside of the work time. And after this, my friends and my members gonna talk about the positive organization behavior, and also the diversity in Google. So in conclusion, Google is a successful company that not only because of what it does for the customers, but also because what it does for its employees. There are certain things done for employees that makes themselves want to succeed and the company as a whole. The positive organization behavior, maintenance of the four key workplace attitudes, diversity, unique organizational structure, performance management, and emphasis on mindfulness among Googlers, and Google's relationship with the reality are all key components in how Google is successful in terms of management and organizational behaviors. Thank you very much, and here is our resource. Thank you.